Anatomical structures of heart. Heart has four chambers. Those are called right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, and followed by left ventricle. And heart has four valves. These valves are called between the right atrium and right ventricle. There is tricuspid valve. Between the left atrium and left ventricle, mitral valve. It is also called bicuspid valve. Then between the left ventricle and aorta, there is an aortic valve. Aortic valve. Aortic valve. Between the right ventricle and pulmonary artery, there is a valve is present. That the valve is called pulmonary valve. And heart has two septums. Those are called between the right atrium and left atrium. This septum is called interatrial septum. Between the left ventricle and right ventricle, there is a septum is called interventricular septum.